Hi and welcome to Draw with Peter. Today I'm going to draw a face using basic proportions to show you how to set it out. And we'll start with the skull sketch. You can see the lines on the right hand side there are to indicate how the face is broken up when you look at it front on. Essentially there's like four parts, four even spaces, and then a little bit down the end for the chin. So this is how you can measure out a face. You can see the third line there is across the eyebrow, and that's pretty much halfway point on the head, close enough. So now I'm adding, I'm just painting the face over this, and you can see where the pupils of the eye, there's a line straight down to the corner of the mouth. So the pupil is in line with the corner of the mouth usually. Then the corners of the eyes, the inside part of the eye, is in line with the edge of the nostrils. So these are the basic proportions for a face, and then the rest of it you can see we're just kind of filling in the flesh over the skull. The ears, the top of the ears are in line with the top of the eyes. The bottom of the ears are in line with the bottom of the nose. Now, you know, of course, there's always exceptions, but these are the general rules for drawing a believable face. And most people's faces adhere to this. Of course, as we get older, our nose and our ears get bigger, so things are going to change a little bit. So I just put in a couple of guidelines there for you, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and like.